Welcome to ASPC Excel Guides. In this video tutorial, we will learn everything about Sumif function, syntax of Sumif function, how to use and where to use Sumif function. I have a sample data, table 1, and another table, table 2, where we need to find the sum of sales employee in values. It is tedious to put a filter and then copy and paste the sum of each and every sales employee's total value sales. We will use Sumif in such situations where sum is required using only one criterion. The syntax of Sumif is equal to, then Sumif, within bracket we need to give the range, criteria and sum range. In this example, we need to derive the total sales made by every sales employee in table 2. To start the formula, we need to go to the K3 cell in table 2. Type equal to sign. Type Sumif. Hit tab. Please note, Sumif function is asking the range, meaning the selection where the criteria data exist, including the data where we need the sum. In our case, it is from column C to column G. Put a comma. Go to the next parameter, which is criteria. We need to find this for brown. Select J3. Put a comma. Now select the column which you need to sum. Close bracket. Hit enter. Here we get the total sales made by brown. Drag the K3 cell, or you can click the small plus sign icon to fill the formula till the end of the data. Please note that you can select the data only, but I will recommend you select the entire column as range, because if you select the data only, you need to put $sign to freeze the range. Otherwise, the range will move while dragging the formula. Please note, within this range, you can select any sum range in a column. Let me show you. If you need the total units sold by any sales employee, you can use the same formula. Select cell K3, go to formula bar, copy the formula, move to L3 cell, paste the formula in formula bar. We just need to change the sum range. Delete this, select E column, hit enter. You can use a shortcut. Double click the L3 cell, or you can directly go to the formula bar. Click the formula and you can remove the range holding the colored borders when the 4 arrow icon appears. One more thing, suppose you need to know the number of pencils sold by brown. We cannot use Sumif function because we have two criteria. One is employee name brown and another is pencil. We need to use another function, Sumifs. We will discuss it in next video. I hope you have learned how to use Sumif function. Please remember, if there is one criteria and sum is required, use Sumif. For multiple criteria, we need to use Sumifs function. Please like and click the subscribe button to get new free video notification in Excel. Thank you for your interest.